My name is Ira and I'm the head of ecosystem initiatives at VentureWave. Let me first introduce VentureWave to you. VentureWave is a resource-rich virtual startup ecosystem that connects founders, investors, mentors, and other support service providers. At VentureWave, we aim to provide startups with a holistic environment and access to networks that will help them get their businesses off the ground. We help startups validate their ideas, raise funds from angels and VCs, and connect with mentors. We are committed to helping angel investors identify startups with impact potential, and we act as enablers for investment and mentoring opportunities. We are affiliated with 3 angel networks: SmartSparks, LAN, and MyEO Angels. In the year 2018, in keeping with the Kerala government's interest in promoting angel investments in the Indian ecosystem, VentureWave decided to share a part of its deal flow with other HNIs in and from Kerala by setting up SmartSparks. The London Business School Alumni Angel Network, abbreviated as LAN, is an angel network with investors from the alumni community of LBS who are looking to invest in innovative startups from ecosystems around the globe. MyEO Angels is an angel network consisting exclusively of EO members. EO is a global peer-to-peer network connecting entrepreneurs to help them achieve their full potential. And MyEO Angels is a network through which they wish to invest in the promising entrepreneurs of tomorrow. Ideatory, a sub-brand of VentureWave, focuses on investment and incubation support for idea or concept stage companies. We are also in the process of developing an additional sub-brand called CoFoundit. CoFoundit is meant to be a platform that connects founders with potential co-founders and vice versa. VentureWave is headquartered in the Indian state of Kerala, which has consistently been ranked as the top performer in the Indian government's state startup ranking. The government's Kerala Startup Mission spearheads the state startup initiatives, and VentureWave is a strategic partner of KSUM. Any entrepreneurial ecosystem thrives with the support of several other service providers, including but not limited to law firms, branding and design agencies, consultants, auditors, and several other facilitators that allow startup founders to focus solely on their operations and the execution of their core idea. At VentureWave, we have a curated network of support service providers that offer services relevant to early stage scalable startups. Well, VentureWave is truly a world in itself, and we're really excited to start engaging with our community.